Why do you think power is so essential to all relationships? That's really what I'd like to get to. Why is it so essential? Why couldn't it be something else?
The way I define power is I try and take it away from that kind of negative context that most people have, and I bring it to something very primitive and very primal. The way the human being is wired, the feeling that we have no control is deeply, deeply immiserating, and it compels us to act in certain ways, either attempts to find positive ways of power or doing what you call covert ways of getting power, passive aggressive. So it's deeply wired in us to want a degree of control over the immediate environment and immediate events.